Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, today is Monday, 5th of October 2020, and the time now is 4:45. So I already prepared the inner formworks, which is this one here. So the reason why it's lower because this is two stages pouring. So when this already poured, I wait for about 2 or 3 days to dry it or to cure, and then I'm going to remove it and then put the subsoil drain on this side here all the way through. And after that I'm going to pour concrete on top, which is from here all the way through this side here, because this area is for stones. Alright, so that's why the level of concrete here is lower than the finished level, because there are two stages of pouring. Yeah, and this is the corner blackout, so this is would be similar to this one here. And similar with this as well, but when this pouring it won't come up to this level, just below that. So yep. Alright, I'm going to pour this in a few minutes time. I just finished my lunch and have a rest, but I want to show what I've done so far. That's why I took a video. I took the privilege to take video and to show you what I have done so far. So this is only temporary. So once we fill in the concrete here, they're going to remove this. The reason why, so that we can maintain the thickness or the width on this area here, which is 45 mil, and this is 65 mil. And the reason why, because this area is too tight, that's why I removed some part of it, so that for the subsoil drain installation, which I'll show you in a minute. So this is the subsoil drain I'm going to put in here. So yeah, it's really tight now, but once this concrete is poured, the subsoil drain looks like that, because this is the finished concrete. Yeah, and if ever this still too tight, I have to break this part of post concrete foundation post of retaining wall, just to give access of subsoil drain. The subsoil drain is from that point to that point there. It will connect from that existing drainage pipe. It's just look messy at the moment, but once everything's set up, that would be looks beautiful, or nice to look at. Alright, my friends, thank you for your time. So I have to prepare the concrete mix. Actually, I have my builder's mix in here. I calculate this the volume is 11 liters, but I have here just in case I'll be short of mixed. Okay, so the mixture is 11 liters of builder's mix and 1.1 liters of cement, and probably this is about 1 liter, so I don't know if this one's enough, so I think I need to get some more. Alright, thank you so much for your time, and hope you like my short presentation of this method of concrete construction. So we have a beautiful weather today. It's a bright sunny day. My son says, my apple says, happy sunny day. That's what he said. Alright, thank you so much, and God bless you. Please be safe, and bye for now.